Hey everyone, here today for another session of the law in a way that people can understand it. The video today is going to be about basic questions related to ignition interlock devices, IIDs, also kind of sometimes commonly called a blow tube or a breath tube you have to put in your car. So what exactly is an IID? It's a little system that's installed by a company. Here in Florida, there's a couple of registered companies or approved companies that you can use for this. But in certain instances, a driver has to have one of these blow tubes put into their car that allows the car to turn on. And then as you're driving, periodically will ask the driver to pull over and provide a sample, all to make sure that your breath alcohol level stays under a 0.02 while you're operating the car. There are typically installation fees for this equipment and then monthly maintenance fees that you pay as well to the different companies. Some of them will offer coupons or incentives, waive installation, first month free. So it may not be a bad idea to shop around if you find yourself in a position where you need to get one of these things. So what are the common situations where you're going to see a need to have an ignition interlock device installed in your car? The first one is going to be a first-time DUI where you provide a breath sample and that breath sample is over 0.15 and you're convicted as charged, meaning you're found guilty of having of DUI with over a 0.15 breath alcohol level or blood alcohol level. In that situation, by law, the court has to order that you have an ignition interlock device installed in your car for a period of 6 months at the time that you obtain either a hardship license or when you get your full license back. Next is a second DUI that occurs within 5 years of a prior DUI. In that scenario, the court by law is going to order that you have that device installed in your vehicle for 12 months when you get your driver's license. You get up in DUI convictions, it gets worse. So a third DUI, it's going to be a situation where you have to have it on your vehicle for 2 years when you go to get your license back. So again, notice I said when you go to get your license back, a lot of times these will be ordered as a condition of probation. But your probation on a misdemeanor can only be 12 months, right? For example, in a second DUI conviction situation, you're not going to be eligible for a hardship license period for that 12-month revocation the judge is going to order of your license. So it's ordered as a condition of probation in that case, but really it's not something that you can start until your probationary period is over. That can get a little complicated. Again, as always, if you have any questions about anything related to ignition interlock device, do I need one? Will I need one? How does it work with probation? Feel free to give us a call at the office. I'm more than happy to talk to you about that and kind of go over your situation and see if this is something that applies to you. All right, thanks.